You quickly learn how to share video from Instagram to WhatsApp. The first step is to get to your Instagram app and tap on it. Once the Instagram app opens, get to the video you want to share, okay? So in this case, I want to share this funny video, all right, to someone. So once you get to the video, tap on the share button, all right, which points towards the right. So on tapping on that, you will see some contacts you have on your Instagram. You will also see some applications you can share the video with. All right. So if you're not seeing WhatsApp here, what you need to do is to drag towards the left until you get to that particular application. All right. But on this first page, at the first look, WhatsApp is there. So I will tap on WhatsApp. This automatically opens my WhatsApp showing me some contacts. So tap on the contact you want to share the video with. Then I have tapped on my third MTN. So the next step is to tap on the send button. So with this step, this video is now sent from Instagram to WhatsApp contacts. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot of information technology. So subscribe to learn more. You can also scan this QR code here and learn from my books on Lulu. So I have a lot of books there, so you can make purchase on any, all right, to broaden your knowledge in basic technology. Thank you and see you some other time.